Hello everyone, you're welcome to our channel, and today we are going to be talking about control systems. Now, what comes to your mind when you think about control systems? Do you think about the controller for your PlayStation or Xbox? Or do you think about the remote control for your TV or DVD? Or do you think about some controller that controls an electrical device in your house like an inverter? Well, these are all controllers, but control systems go beyond these devices. Control systems can be found in our air conditioners for regulating the temperature of that system. They can also be found in our robotic systems to control the movement and operations of the robot. But what are these control systems anyway that we are talking about? What actually is a control system? A control system is a device or a system that regulates or controls the behavior of another system. The system being controlled could be as simple as a fan to control its speed. It could also be a car to control the speed of the vehicle or its steering. It could also be as advanced as a rocket to control its movement and operations in space. So how do these control systems work? A control system consists of various components. The first component of a control system is the plant. That plant is the system or device or object that you want to control. If you want to control the speed of the vehicle, then a vehicle becomes your plant. If you want to control a factory and a manufacturing process, then that factory becomes your plant. If you want to control a robot and how it moves, then that robot becomes your plant. These plants always take in some form of input. The input could be from a button on a control panel, it could be a joystick, or it could be a knob that you can turn. Also, this input can be from the output of another plant. When these plants receive inputs, they give out a corresponding output. Now, sometimes these outputs might not be exactly what you want it to be, and that is why you need the controller. The controller regulates the input going into the plant and makes sure you get the output as exactly as you want it to be. The controller measures the output of the entire system using a feedback mechanism. This feedback is usually a sensor or a bunch of sensors that measure the output and tell the controller whether the output is what you want or not. All these components are connected together to form the control system. These control systems have various applications in our day-to-day activities. Control systems can be found in our regular consumer devices like our air conditioners and our refrigerators. In air conditioners, control systems can regulate the temperature going out of the air conditioner. Control systems are also found in robots, where they control the movement of the robot using the motors connected to the robot to control its position and orientation. Control systems are also found in autonomous vehicles or self-driving cars. They control the speed of the car and also the steering, which in turn controls the position of the car. Control systems can also be found in aeroplanes and space shuttles, where they control major operations of those systems, such as the altitude and the speed. Control systems are also found in factories and manufacturing plants, where they automate the process of manufacturing. So as you can see, control systems are very important and have a wide range of applications in our daily activities. And in our next video, we'll be looking at the various types of control systems and what they are used for. So if you have enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so that you will not miss out on our exciting new content. And you can also follow our social media handles, which are in the description to this video. Thank you.